Welcome to BMC Helix Video Solutions. In this video, we will be seeing how to send an activation email using TCTL utility in case activation email is not received during the ITOM deployment. For sending activation email, the TCTL utility needs to be configured. For configuring TCTL utility, please refer to this video's description details in which we have provided the knowledge article regarding how to configure TCTL utility and start using it. That knowledge article also includes the video which will provide you the detailed steps for configuring TCTL utility. So on this screen, we can see that I have TCTL directory and which I have config file. So I have already configured the TCTL config file with the respective parameters. So I will be opening CMD prompt over here. Then I will perform TCTL login to login using TCTL. So this command will open RSSO login page for TCTL like this one. So we will be logging using the default username password. So the default password is this. Let me put over here, and the username is small letter admin. Let me click on the login. So we can see the notification authentication successfully completed, and here also I can see the login succeeded. So the first thing we would need to validate whether the tenant activation was done during the deployment or not. So how we will do that? Using TCTL get tenant. Using this command, I would be able to see this tenant is activated. And if we would like to see all the tenant services, so we can execute TCTL get tenant service and then the tenant ID. So we can see all the services are active. So now to send the activation email, we can use TCTL resume tenant and then the tenant ID. So what this command will do, this command will send the activation email again in case it is not received or it got expired. So let me execute this command. So it says for me that all the services are already proceed because I had received the activation email and I had activated the services. But in case you have not received the activation email, this command should help to send the activation email again. In case if still issue persists and you have not received the activation email, please send the TMS, IMS, RSSO and TS pod logs. Regarding how to get the pod logs, please refer to the description of this video for the knowledge article which will describe the details regarding how to fetch the logs. It includes the video as well. So this concludes my video. Thank you for watching. Please refer to the official documentation for additional information.